And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Members of the West Indies Test team trained in small groups on Monday at the Kensington Oval in Barbados, in another indication that the Caribbean side's tour of England could still go ahead. The tour was originally scheduled to begin in June, but was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic and is now expected to be contested in July under special arrangements. Captain Jason Holder was joined by Craig Brathwaite, Shea Hope, Kimar Roach, Shane Durrich and Shamar Brooks, all of whom played in the last test match against Afghanistan in India last December. Another test player, Raymond Reefer, also participated. They were under the guidance of West Indies assistant coach Roddy Estwick, as well as several coaches from the Barbados Cricket Association, with approval of local government authorities in the country. Other players across the region are expected to resume training later this week as Cricket West Indies continues dialogue with the England and Wales Cricket Board on the proposed tour, which is expected to feature 3 test matches. Now, batsmen John Campbell, Jermaine Blackwood and Nkrumah Bonner were the Jamaicans named in a 30-man provisional West Indies squad for the tour of England earlier this month.